Hi there, it's Roy Breton from gardenequipmentreview.com. Today we're looking at the Racing 96 PHT Petrol Hedge Trimmer. Now this happens to be the cheapest petrol hedge trimmer on our website. It's not a contractor's machine, but it is designed for the home user and retails at £139.95 including VAT. In case you haven't heard of Racing, they make domestic products for the garden at a good price. They seem to get good reviews, and they also offer a 2-year warranty, which is a good bonus. So let's have a look at some of the features. So I put down here in this blog post that I wrote earlier, it's a value for money domestic hedge trimmer. It's not for contractors. 2 years warranty, which is good. One of the best features, which I wouldn't expect on a budget machine, is the rotating rear handle. So this rear handle here can be turned. It may not sound much, but when you're cutting a hedge in awkward positions, it's ideal to be able to turn that rear handle either left or right, for depending which way you're going, which is good. So that's a good bonus point, and certainly makes hedge cutting easier when you can work in a comfortable position. Now here it's got a 56cm cutting blade, and it's double reciprocating. Most hedge cutters nowadays have a double reciprocating blade. I wouldn't recommend one that doesn't, because hedge cutters can be heavy, so when you're cutting you want to be able to cut on the up and down strokes. So with the blade the Racing has on, it's you can cut up and down, so you're maximising your effort and kind of literally continually cutting, which is good. So it's got a 2-stroke 26cc engine. Believe it or not, a hedge cutter or hedge cutters don't need to be hugely powerful for just trimming a hedge. It doesn't take a huge amount of power, so that should be perfectly adequate. Develops 1 horsepower. So and the weight is 5.6 kilograms, so it's not silly heavy, which is good. And the actual length gives you quite a good cutting width, to be fair. Just something to bear in mind that they are quite big teeth on here, but I wouldn't, for a hedge cutter of this sort, I wouldn't recommend. I would use it more of a trimmer rather than for heavy work, because otherwise it puts too much strain being a lightweight machine. Use it for hedge trimming, and if you've got something heavier work to do, use a chainsaw or something. But for basic hedge trimming, it should be fine. Don't think there's anything else I need to mention. Mentioned the rotating rear handle. I've put the eBay link in. Just be careful on eBay. You can get some bargains, but you can get some rubbish as well. And I just put a few links to our website. If you're looking for more powerful hedge cutter, we do have a range of different hedge cutters, petrol ones, and if we click here, we also have a range of electric, rechargeable, etc., and long reach hedge cutters. If you've got any questions, please feel free to comment on the video. I'm here to help. Thanks very much for watching.